Look who we got here. We got V-Quaint right here in the middle of the desert. And we took a camera too. Oh, while we're here actually, hey Spy Ninjas, we're out here in the desert with V-Quaint and none of the Spy Ninjas even know where she is. Today you will witness the end of V-Quaint. All right, let's put her in that box over there. Yeah, put her in that box there. You see that, Spy Ninjas out there? V-Quaint will never get out of here. We're in the middle of nowhere. No one will find her. All right, that looks good to me. Let's get out of here.
Oh, my head hurts. Where am I? Oh, what's that bright light? Is that my phone? I'm in a cardboard box? Oh, I'm tied up. Can't really move around this much. Oh, gosh, I gotta get out of here.
Why am I always getting trapped in boxes? Get me out of here!
Yeah. What? Looks like I've stopped moving. It's quiet. Maybe it's time to break out of this box, huh?
I gotta be prepared to battle. I better go to the bathroom first. But I'm not gonna pee in my box. I've got this empty water bottle. I'll just use that.
Oh, hey! Hey! What the heck? How did I get in here? What's all around me? I'm tied up! Help! Chad! B? I'm gonna bust my way out of here. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, I don't think I'm in Vegas anymore.
Yes! I'm out! What the heck?
Oh my gosh! And I'm all tied up. Look at this. I've never seen anything like this before. It's a flag. Comment down below if you guys recognize this flag. I don't. It looks very familiar, but I don't know which direction it goes. So let me know, okay?
I'm free. I do remember being captured, but that was like 2 days ago. What happened in the last 2 days?
I'm all alone. Guys, look at this sand. Oh, it's so soft. I've never felt sand like this before. I have an idea, but I need a stick. I gotta find a stick.
Do you guys see this? There's some plant here. That means there's life here. What? Carrots? I didn't know carrots can grow in the desert. That is really strange. Okay, take these with me, just in case. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out here in the desert.
Wow, just sand hills for miles and miles. If this isn't Abu Dhabi, it sure looks like Abu Dhabi, doesn't it? What do I do with this now? Ah, man, shouldn't litter, right? Let's put it in my pocket right here.
What the heck? Am I in Abu Dhabi? I can't believe I let those hackers capture me. At least I'm not here alone. Got this cardboard box which I could use for shelter, and my handy dandy first aid that I brought. Look who made the trip. It's Al Buman. What's up, Al? How are you doing today?
Yes, I'm doing amazing.
My closest colleague.
When I was in the box, I was on an airplane. The hackers shipped me somewhere that took like 2 days to get to? That means that this might not be Las Vegas sand. But there's only one way to find out. Okay, guys, I saw this in a survival video once. In order to survive in a desert that you don't know where it is, you have to become one with the environment. Okay, I'm not an expert at this, but I don't know. I don't think this is Las Vegas sand. This tastes nothing like it.
I'm gonna write a message in the sand. S-O-S. SOS. Do you guys hear that? There's an airplane. They gotta see my SOS. Airplane! Help!
Wait a minute, guys. Look at this. Another hole. Can I start digging, you guys? Oh, whoa. Bananas? What is wrong with this place? What kind of farming area is this? Someone buried these here, but they bury these for days. That means someone's been out here. Is this their food supply? I'm just gonna take 2. I've leave 3 behind. Okay, Chad, Daniel, Regina, Melvin, Chad, are you guys around here?
I'm so hungry. How about you, Al?
I'm just an egg. I have no appetite. Hey, I think I see something.
What is it, Al? Let's go take a look. V, where are you?
Wait a second. Do you see this, Spy Ninjas?
What is a hacker doing out here in the middle of the nowhere?
I'm gonna sneak up on him and confront him and ask him where the rest of the Spy Ninjas are.
Oh no! It's going far! Gosh darn it, my SOS didn't work. This desert is huge. I think I just gotta go on my feetsies and find the Spy Ninjas myself. Okay, guys. Well, right before we got captured, we were actually preparing to go to Abu Dhabi. I was in charge of getting the snacks, and I got a little something under my sleeve. Trail mix! The hackers thought they could defeat me, but no. Regina lives on to see another day.
If I'm not in Las Vegas, then where the heck am I? Look at these sand dunes. Wait a minute, guys. You see this right now? Look at this. Footprint. Could those be Melvin's footprints? Or Regina's or Chad's? They're too big to be V's. Because guys, look. See that? There's something different with the pattern here. I don't think I've seen that pattern before. It kind of looks like... Oh!
What the heck? How did I just trip like that? Regina's rubbing off on me, man. Why is there a huge hole here? Looks like someone's been digging again. Oh, something's really big. I'm gonna put you guys right here because this needs 2 hands. What is this? There's a raw chick in the middle of the desert? What the heck is going on here? What kind of sick joke are you guys playing, Project Zergo? Wait a minute. This bag of chicken is written in English. I thought it was in Abu Dhabi, and it says it's made in California. Something's off, you guys. My woman's intuition's kicking in.
The good thing about being in the desert is the sand is really soft, so you shouldn't even hear my footsteps. Following the hacker's footprints. That's what my footprint looks like. Hey, hacker! Where are the rest of the Spy Ninjas? You tell me right now!
I'm so thirsty, man.
Yeah, I'm thirsty too. That's great. Tell me where the Spy Ninjas are, and maybe I'll give you something to drink. Here, I've got some apple juice.
Let me see that real quick.
You haven't told me where the Spy Ninjas are yet. Once you tell me where they are, you'll get this apple juice.
Just one drop, man.
No.
Give me that.
No.
One more drop.
No, you gotta tell me where the Spy Ninjas are first. Let go of it. You let go of it. Tell me where the Spy Ninjas are. Hey, get back here. Hey, get back here. Oh my gosh, I'm going down a hill.
Trail mix sure is delicious. It's giving me lots of energy. I feel like I can keep going. And I haven't seen the Spy Ninjas in like days. Wait a minute. I got some trail mix on me. Trail mix. Trail mix. Yeah. You guys will see where I'm going with this. I am going to leave a trail of trail mix. Regina strikes again. It'll lead them right to me. They better find me because I'm sacrificing my food.
Whoa! Look at this! It seems like the frame of some kind of auto vehicle. There's no food or anything! Or is there? If only this car had wheels, a motor, steering wheel, and basically everything else a car's composed of, then I could get out of this! Who cares if I don't run into the other Spy Ninjas? Well, do I? I hope they're all safe. But I don't even know if they got dropped off here in the first place! It looks like it might just be me and you, Al.
Yeah, brothers for life.
That's right, buddy.
My leg?
Yo, Daniel, you like worms? Cause I'm gonna make you squirm like one, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, no! No! Go with me, man! I'm tied up! They're all over me! Get them off! Get them off! It's in my eye! Get it off! It's in my eyeball! No, don't make me eat it! Let's get out of here!
Oh my gosh, there's a hacker right there. He has a shovel. He buried a chicken.
This ought to be enough food for the desert division.
Did you guys hear that? He said there's enough food for the desert division? Oh my gosh, guys, I did not know that Project Zergo has a desert division.
PZ-475, is that you? Wait a minute. Be quiet.
No, wait.
Cut you up early.
What? You were the one that tied me up? Oh no. He's gonna... No, you back off. Oh my gosh, the chicken came in handy.
It's been like hours and not a Spy Ninja in sight. Did none of them see my trail mix or my SOS message? Oh man, I haven't seen the Spy Ninjas in days. And those nuts sure are making me thirsty. Oh wait, guys, look, hot Cheetos. V's favorite snack is hot Cheetos. I must be getting close. V, I'm coming. Oh wait, guys, look. An orange hacker glove. I'm gonna take this as a good thing. I'm getting closer and closer to civilization. And the only hacker I know with orange gloves is PZ-314, and he's not a big threat.
Oh no! I tripped on this sand hill. Where'd that hacker go? Hey, hacker, where are you? Spy Ninjas, do you see him anywhere? Where could he have gone? These hackers have these disappearing tricks or something. Oh, man. Look like I got this filled with water. I don't know where my bottle of apple juice went, but I guess I don't need it. I feel bad for littering out here, but the hacker grabbed it out of my hands and it fell on the ground. I have no idea where it is now. Well, I'm just gonna walk. Hopefully there's civilization this way. B, Daniel, Regina, Melvin, miles and miles of sand. I've been walking for probably 2 miles now. I'm doing pretty good though. I'm in great shape. I exercise all the time. Being a spy ninja, you gotta be in great shape for all those martial arts, for all those battle royales with hackers.
Hey, Al, what do you think will happen if we don't get out of here?
You're obviously gonna perish forever.
No, don't be such a pessimist, Al. You know, where there's a will, there's a way. I'm sure we'll find something here to eat soon, Al. We've come a long way, Al. We have a special connection, you and I. When we do find the others, I'm gonna ask them if you can become a spy ninja too. What do you think, spy ninjas? Should Al be a spy ninja too? What am I doing? I'm talking to an egg. I've been talking to this egg the whole time. Is something going on with me? Am I crazy? I could just eat him. No, I can't eat him. He's my friend. He survived the egg drop challenge. Then he survived this cargo human drop challenge with me. He's not an egg. He's a warrior. But he's also a good source of protein. No matter how hungry I am, I can't just eat Al. What am I gonna do? What has become of my life?
How much longer am I gonna be in this desert? I know the sun's not out, but it is hot. I gotta find food. I gotta find water. Look there. What is it? Look. Oh my goodness. Thank you, universe, for supplying me with some apple juice. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, guys, I'm about to drink this apple juice. It looks so delicious, man. Super yellow. That's how you know it's the good stuff. Okay, spy ninjas. Cheers. Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna be fancy. You gotta stick your pinky out. That's how you drink beverages like a fancy man. Pinky out. Here we go. Drinking the apple juice. Did you guys hear that? Thought I heard somebody scream. That was weird. Okay. Anyway, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. I just remembered. Project Zorgo is trying to go to Abu Dhabi to hack a bunch of YouTubers. This seems like I'm in Abu Dhabi. I'm in a different country. Anyway, time to drink this apple juice. That is delicious. Oh my gosh. Thank you, desert, for providing me with such a delicious liquid.
Okay, I saw Hot Cheetos bag and a hacker glove. That means I'm getting closer and closer to civilization. I just need to keep running this way and maybe I'll find V. I see something else. Ah! Ah! What is this thing? Wait a minute. This is one of Chad's ninja gadgets. I'm getting close. Remember, guys, don't run and hold the ninja gadget at the same time. Regina's coming.
Hello there, spy ninjas. It's Al. And I think I'm just gonna run away from Melvin. He fell asleep. Who knows how long he'll be asleep for? He might be asleep forever. Goodbye.
Oh gosh, guys, I'm losing hope. Oh man, am I getting thirsty! In those Survivor TV shows, I think I remember them saying, you can extract water from a cactus. I don't recommend what I'm about to do, but desperate times calls for desperate measures. If I just poke a hole and get some water out of this bad boy, I think that'll quench my thirst. All right, I'm gonna do it. I gotta be careful not to touch the pricklies though. Here I go. All right. Let's keep going, y'all. Yeah, I feel much better.
Al, where'd he go? Where are you, buddy? I didn't mean it. I'm not gonna eat you. Don't leave me. I'm sorry. Wait, you smell that? Smells like eggs. Al! He made it. No! Al! He's hurt! Don't move! Yes! I have a first aid kit! This is not the place to get injured like that, Al. Gosh. That crack is too big! He needs 2 band-aids!
Well, I'm sorry for running away.
Here's another band-aid! Okay, it's better. How are you feeling now?
I feel much better now. Thanks, Melvin. I'm really sorry.
It's okay, Al. It's starting to rain! Rain in the desert! That's a good sign, yeah? Or a bad sign? Let's keep on moving.
Guys, That cactus juice, you know how I said it was gonna hydrate me and that it's a good idea to drink it? Oh, it's not making me feel so good right now. I'm just gonna put the camera down. Okay, calm down, Regina. You are okay. Don't panic. The sand feels so nice on my fingers. You guys see this right here? This guy's trying to fight me. What, you trying to fight right now? Huh? Hey, yeah. Whoa, whoa. You think you're good, huh? What about some of this? Ah! Oh gosh, it's getting bigger. Run! It's running after me. Ah!
Is that more? Look, next to this box. It's another apple juice. What is with this? Just random bottles of apple juice laying in the desert? That's so weird. Oh, ew, what is that? Oh, that is not apple juice. That, I think, is straight up pee-pee.
Al, what do you want to do after we get out of here?
I don't know. I'ma let you decide.
Omelet, I get it.
I'm an excellent joker.
Excellent. You know, you're the funniest person right now. You're the only person right now. Got any more jokes?
No, but I got more jokes.
Do you hear that? Is that Melvin? Melvin, is that you? I thought I heard your voice. Whoa, what is this? This looks like some sort of tire tread. Never quite seen a tire that looks like this. These look like trails. Some sort of vehicle has been driving on this. Whoa, look at this. Tire tracks. Yes. There must be civilization around here. Maybe it's on the other side of this hill. If I follow these tracks. Nothing. I don't see any civilization anywhere. Guess I'll just keep walking. Oh boy.
Run! Is it still running after me? Oh, wait a minute, guys, look. Look over there.
Well, hey there, Regina.
It's a hippopotamus.
I know you are, but what am I?
That's really funny.
Wait a minute. I heard that scream again. That sounds like a Regina scream. Look over there. There's definitely something in the distance right there. Hello, excuse me. Who is that? Regina? Yes! Regina, I found you! Whoa. Whoa, what are you doing? What is so funny, Regina?
Daniel!
What?
It's you! It's you, Daniel!
Yeah?
Hi!
Hi, Regina. What the heck is going on? Are you okay? Or did you eat something funky?
I had a sip of some cactus juice. It really got me going. I feel kind of sick.
That's poisonous, Regina.
Poisonous?
Wait a minute. Where's Chad, V, and Melvin? Chad!
I gotta hurl.
V! Melvin!
Wait, this is the same cardboard box that I arrived here in. I've been going in circles. Al, why didn't you tell me I was going in circles?
You never asked.
I'm gonna be out here. At least I could use this cardboard box as shelter from the desert rain. Don't leave me, Al. You're the only person I got.
Oh man, nothing up here. I guess I'll just keep walking. Well, at least I lucked out and I got a cloudy day out here in the desert.
Spy ninjas!
V! Look, it's V! Yeah! Woo! Oh my god! Yeah! I'm so dizzy. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy to see you.
I don't know how long it's been. It feels like forever.
It's been at least like 3 hours since we see each other. Actually, no, it's been like 3 days. I think we're in the Middle East, V. Have you seen any other spy ninjas? Daniel, Regina, Melvin?
No, I actually haven't seen anyone.
They gotta be nearby here too.
They gotta be.
Daniel!
Regina!
Melvin! Where are you?